Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Smart TV. And in today's video, I will show you on how to install Spotify app on your Google Smart TV. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you go to settings on your Google TV. Having get to settings, go ahead and click on OK. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and scroll down. Continue to scroll down until you get to apps. Go ahead and click on apps. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on your Google Play Store. In some cases, if you cannot see your Google Play Store from the top right here, go ahead and click on See All Apps. Then what you need to do is to scroll down, continue to scroll down until you get to Show System Apps. Go ahead and click on that. Then here, you'll be able to see your Google Play Store. Just continue to scroll down. The more you scroll down, the more you see different system apps right here. So what you are interested here is your Google Play Store. So on getting to Google Play Store right here, just like so, go ahead and click on OK. Then you are here. Go ahead and click on Open. Then you'll be taken to your Google Play Store right here. So from Play Store, you can download and install any app right here. So like for instance, I'm going to install Spotify app. Go ahead and come to Stream Playlist. So go ahead and select the app that you want to download. However, if you cannot find the app that you want to download from this section right here, go to the top right here and then make sure you use search icon right here and then make sure you type in whatever type of app you are looking for. However, I have the app here already, so I will just go ahead and make sure I click on it right here. Spotify, click on it, then you have it right here. So what we want to do now is to go ahead and then make sure we click on install. So app install successful. Next thing we want to do is to click on open. Then Spotify. So what we want to do here, listen to music you love, explore playlists, postcard, and more on Spotify. Sign up for free. Go ahead and click on sign up for free. If you do not have an account with Spotify, click on sign up for free. So here you will need to enter your email, your password, name, and then go ahead and create an account. So I'm going to go ahead now and enter my email address right here. Having entered my email address, I will go ahead and make sure I continue with password. Click on here to continue, then enter the account password right here. And go ahead and enter your name. Continue with your date of birth right here. Then continue with gender. Then go ahead and we may send you email with news or promotion. Click on that. Then come down below right here and click on sign up. So in a few seconds, you have your Spotify account right here. So from here, you can start playing whatever music of your choice in Spotify. It's that simple. So this is how to install Spotify app into your Google TV. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.